Hi everyone, in this video we will review Generator Exhaust Extension Silencer Kit. The Buisness Generator Exhaust Extension Silencer Kit is an all-in-one accessory designed to reduce generator exhaust noise and safely vent exhaust gases outside through a wall or barrier. It is built to fit most makes and models of portable generators and measures 14.5 inches by 11.8 inches by 5.9 inches. The kit includes 3 universal adapters to maximize compatibility across different generator brands and muffler configurations. For mufflers without properly aligned holes or no holes at all, the included self-tapping screws allow the adapter to be secured directly onto the muffler. The all-in-one package also contains fiberglass cloth foil tape for sealing part seams and rubber gloves for safe handling during installation. In some cases, slight modification may be required for a precise fit depending on the specific generator model. Noise reduction is achieved through a specially designed muffler grille that the brand claims reduces exhaust noise by over 55% without affecting generator performance. This level of noise reduction is intended to make the generator more suitable for use in residential neighborhoods and home environments. 2 feet of flexible tubing is included to accommodate a range of installation scenarios. The construction uses aerospace-grade alloy steel and high-quality galvanized sheet metal throughout, with powder-coated components to resist corrosion and rust in challenging outdoor conditions. This material selection is described as reducing the need for frequent replacements and providing a reliable long-term investment. Installation is designed to take between 10 and 15 minutes without requiring major modifications to the generator. The kit includes an insulated through-wall mounting plate that allows the exhaust to be safely extended through walls or barriers while maintaining proper ventilation. Quick installation instructions are included. The manufacturer issues a specific warning that heat-resistant wall plate installation must be used correctly, as using hose clamps or similar alternative methods can cause stress and heat buildup, leading to melting and potential safety hazards. Each component of the kit is individually packaged to ensure all parts arrive undamaged and complete. The product is backed by a 5-year warranty, and customer support is available through direct contact with the manufacturer for any issues that arise after purchase. Customer reviews give the kit a rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. Positive feedback highlights effective removal of carbon monoxide fumes, sturdy build quality, good appearance, and the convenience of receiving all necessary components in one package. Installation is generally described as straightforward. Feedback on noise reduction and fitment is mixed, with some users reporting significant silencing of their generators, while others feel the noise reduction is insufficient, and some finding the fit precise, while others encounter compatibility issues with their specific generator model. Overall, the Buisness Generator Exhaust Extension Silencer Kit is a well-built and comprehensively equipped solution for venting generator exhaust and reducing operating noise, though fitment, compatibility, and the degree of noise reduction may vary depending on the generator model being used. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.